Replace a new ribbon for model DL-210 or install new ribbon. First, power off the printer. Lift up the top cover. Release the print head section by pressing the two blue buttons here. Okay, print head is released. Next, the paper sensor cover is to be released by pressing inwards two flexible clips here. Okay, so this is the position. So next we will go into the ribbon section. First, prepare the two black spindle, the ribbon and the used core. Push in the spindle piece right up to the end. Same applies to the ribbon. The maximum. Okay, taking the core and the ribbon, rotate it until you see the black sections appear, which is the actual ribbon that should be transferred to the paper or the label. There shall be two-sided. This side will be the mated side, the other side will be the reflective side. Reflective side would always be positions facing upwards. Okay, next, take the ribbon and mount it to the blue wheel at the lower section here. There will be this hexagonal sign to be pushed in, and this will be a flexible section where you press and it shall lock in by itself. Now pull the ribbon fabric all the way to the top section, and for the top spindle, insert into the top housing at the top and lock it in. Next, turn the wheel to tension up the ribbon. So once the ribbon, you can see it is tensioned, you have to close the sensor cover, clip it on, lower it down by pressing the two signs over here to lock the print head. Close the cover,